Hi guys, so this is my part 2 of harvesting strawberries. So we're gonna harvest those red strawberries there today. Yeah, I'll show it to you first and then the video of me harvesting it. Oh, look at that. And this one is the pink flowering strawberry, and there's one there already. Yeah, and so we're gonna do that. Oh, look at that. And this one, the big one here, still not yet ripe, so you have to wait for a bit. I already ate one in here. So we have there. Oh, we have some more there. Look at that. Yeah. So we have more strawberries here outside. So we have to keep them once they're turning red, or else the bird gonna eat them before me. Yeah. So yeah. Alright, we're gonna do the harvesting now. Look at those. And I got a help from my husband to video me while doing it. Right, yay! Look at that. So red. So we're gonna come on there. Look. There you go. Yay! Look at that. And the others are not super red yet, so we can. Oh my god, it's a bit white, but it's alright. And then there's one there hiding. And not yet red there, but we have here one that is so red na. And then these are the pink flowering strawberries. So they're still little, but there's one here, so we gotta taste this one. I'll get it later because I want it separate because that's the pink flower. And we'll get this one in here. Whoop. And then I think we can, oh no, still white. Oh, why is it like that? Because it's on the plastic, see. And then we got this here. I think I got to stand up. Oh my god, ow. Okay. Right, this one in there. Ooh, oh, this one is a bit, look at the shape of that. And then we got some in here, but I don't know what you think, Mahal. Can we get this now? We'll get the two. The other two we can't get yet. It's a bit white pa. There. And then, ooh, look at that. Mahal, so many. You have to eat this all. Mahal. Just answer yes, no. So many. Got one here. I have to hide my strawberry here because the birds eating them. And the slugs. Ow! Cut my hand. May ano. There. There's one rotten here. And we got this. Show that. This one is super red. Look, so shiny. And then we have the on the back. I get this now, yeah. Whoa. And I think that's it. The others are still a bit white. I think I can get this one. The others are still a bit whitish. So look at the shape of that. So we I don't know, should I get this? Yeah, so this pink and the pink flowering. Yay, look at that! Look at all those strawberries.